Sanibona bafethu uVanele. So namhlanje sizokhuluma ngegame elandelayo Orlando Pirates. I-first team iyodlala neSiwelele, ne-DDC team siyodlala neSiwelele. So remember ke bafethu, Orlando Pirates i-DDC team inama-point alinganayo with iMamelodi Sundowns. Same as i-Orlando Pirates, i-first team inama-point alinganayo with iMamelodi Sundowns. So le midlalo le yombili for Orlando Pirates ibaluleke kakhulu because kumele bawuthole u3 points kuze bazokwazi ukuthi bayishiye iMamelodi Sundowns. Lo mbango lo ule ku-DDC and lo mbango lo ukhona kwi-Betway Premiership kushube ngempela bafethu. Orlando Pirates ke ifuna ukwenza ihistory, ithathe izicoco zombili. Nayo iMamelodi Sundowns iyafuna ukuyenza ihistory, ithathe izicoco zombili. So nayi ke mina i-lineup prediction engayishaya mase ngithola ithuba. Nawe ke ungangitshela ama-comments uthi obani abadlali ongabadlalisa ngokwakho. Ungabagxeka bami, but ke ungitshele wena okwakho uthi obani abadlali ongabaqalisa kule game le yakusasa. Yabo, ungangitshela ke kuma comments. So nje ngizoqala ipalini. Njengoba ngizoqala nje ipalini niyalazi bafethu udaba, angifuni ukuloku ngiya le nale. Niyamazo Sepo Chain. For me, he is that guy engihlezi ngimqalisa kuma games amaningi Orlando Pirates. Kule season nje so far umjida usenza kahle, unama clean sheets amaningi more than any goalkeeper okhona ku Betway Premiership. Usengayithola futhi ke i-goalkeeper of the season kule season le, because nala season wenza kahle kakhulu. Na kule season so far umjida wenza kahle. It seems like i-defense yakhe umjida iyamsebenza. Mase siza ngama center back, I know abantu abaningi bayakhala kakhulu nge-center back pairing esinayo right now. I remember at the first half of le season le besinombokazi with uSiyema, but ke currently kukhona bani, kukhona uSiyema benoSibisi. But ke ngizwa abalandeli abaningi bethi ayishintshwe le center back pairing le ku-introduce i-defender elinjengoMphotsha Batsane, which is a very concerning thing because remember i-league isisalelwa ama-games ayi-10. Njengoba sekusele ama-games ayi-10, Orlando Pirates kumele uthole u3 points each and every game. So ukuloku shintsha emuva lokho kuzodala i-team ukuthi concede more goals, izodala i-team ukuthi idliwe more games. Ngabe ngiyezwa mhlawumbe i-team ukuthi iconcedile kulama games amabili noma amathathu edlula kona, mara ke ayiconsidanga. That is what I like about Orlando Pirates kule title race. They are not conceding ama goals amaningi, and leyo nto le izocounta kakhulu going forward because the more you concede, the more i-goal difference iyehla. So uma ungaconcede any goals, ilapho khona i-goal difference yakho izoba right kakhulu. So mina for me le center back pairing le ngingayiqalisa against iSiwelele. Mase ukuthi ke kuma wing backs funa khona angifuni ukushintsha kakhulu. Amqalisa umjida lo uSibelebele, ngimqalise futhi ke uDion Hoto against iSiwelele bafethu. Remember ke i-team esiyodlala nayo, noma iSiwelele singadlala kanjani, iSiwelele bafethu when they go to Orlando Stadium abajida bayakwazi ukuyimisela. Yabo, bayakwazi ukuyimisela. I remember the last time we played against iSiwelele sasidlala kwi-calling knockouts, abajida bayimisela kuleya game liyas nababona osayile bafethu abajida bedlala kahle ngempela. So kule game le I'm not expecting iSiwelele sihlale kakhulu emuva, but ke njengoba bazi ukuthi bayodlala against Orlando Pirates edlalayo and eyimiselayo nabadlala ba-attackayo, so ngingababona behlala emuva. So having umjida njengoDion Hoto and uSibelebele ba-provide ama-crosses lapha eboxini. Njengoba bezoprovide nje ama-crosses, iwona esizodla ngawo. You saw Dion Hoto eprovide i-cross for Tito Maswanganyi. You saw uSibelebele eprovide i-cross for uOsuna Police. So abajida babaluleke kakhulu kwi-squad se-Orlando Pirates because ibona abadlali aba-edamani numbers uma i-team esidlala nayo i-defender kakhulu. Masuketheke ku-number 6 position, nakhona futhi ku-number 6 position akumele sishintshe kakhulu. Umgogodla we-team kumele uhlale unjalo because once washintsha umgogodla i-team izowa. Yabo, uMakhihleni Makhawula ufana njengalesigxobo lezi esibamba i-roof. Yabo, umuzazi ke lezi ndlu lezi zakudala lezi eyinezigxobo phakathi. Meke wasusa leso sigxobo leso, i-roof izowa. Meke wasusa lesigxobo lesi simaphansi nendawo, i-roof izowa. So you need a player like uMakhihleni Makhawula akwazi ukuthi abe i-anchor ekahle lapha kulesa sisu. Yes, last game umjida ubengekho mnandi, but ke for me going forward umjida kumele alene kulawo maphutha lawo nalawo. We're playing against the Richards Bay side inequality, not inequality per se, but ke eyimiselayo. Yabo, ngayibeka kanjalo, bebeyimiselela abajida lawa because ngokwabo bebeyibona beyishaya Orlando Pirates, bebeyibona be-match up against Orlando Pirates. But ke uMakhihleni Makhawula for me umjida uyi-quality and ngamqalisa against iSiwelele, and I expect umjida uthi akhuphula amasokisi because uma ezoqhubeka nale performance le ngesibe mnandi bafethu. Players like aboSehlandula I saw umjida usuyalulama and I hope to see him umjida ingakapheli season, but ke ngokuzwa kwami ngenzeka umjida izipheli season esingambonanga uSehlenduli ebuyele kule Pirates, but ke I hope because ngimbonile ejima kwi-story sakhe lapha ku-Instagram ukuthi umjida uzobuya. Sekuthi abadlali abazodlala phambi kwamakhehleni Makhawula ngaqalisa bani na? Ngingaqalisa uTalente Mbatha with uMfokeng. I'll start uTalente Mbatha with uRelebohile Mofokeng. I know uRelebohile Mofokeng last game umjida akabanga negame emnandi, but ke remember ke most of these teams when they are playing against the Orlando Pirates, they tend to play for uRelebohile Mofokeng because they know ukuthi uRelebohile Mofokeng he's a star player for Orlando Pirates. So if Mofokeng ene freedom, lokho kuzowenza leyo team leyo ibe under pressure. So Mofokeng benza sure ukuthi bamvala kakhulu. So uMfokeng ukumisa lapha kuyi-wing abafethu kuyayilimita kakhulu Orlando Pirates. So ngibonile last game ukuthi no, uMfokeng nami ngikwilena prediction yami beke ezi-wing, but ke this time awuthi ngimfake umjida as number 10, ngimphushe more centrally as number 10 khona sizo allow i-winger libe ne freedom and umjida akwazi ukuthi asebenzisane with i-wing ukubani okuDion Hot. Once si overloada laphana ama defenders azonaka more central, azofuna ukuba more central, bazomaka bani uRelebohile Mofokeng. Mebenza lokho bayakhohlwa ukuthi we have wingers who are going to supply the ball into the box. So I'll play uRelebohile Mofokeng as number 10 kule game. Talente Mbatha akukho litheni engizolusha ngoTalente Mbatha bafethu. Uyawazi umsebenzi wakhe umjida. Ever since simbuyisile ama games siyawawina. Once saqala ukuthi simdrop le league le asikhohlwe yona. Once samdrop uTalente Mbatha asikhohlwe ileague, but ke ngokwami uTalente Mbatha angimele awaqede kakhulu ama games because umjida uvaluable kakhulu for Orlando Pirates. Lama games awu10 asele angimele umjida waqeda ama games. Maybe ucoach Mela Msabe mhlambe ngabo 86, yabo. Umjida phela ngenzeka athole injury, asifuna ukubona uTalente Mbatha elimele because once walimala umjida kuzophela lokho esinako. Mase kuthi ke kuma wingers engawaqalisa kule game le bafethu. Kuma wingers ka right winger ngaqalisa bani na? Ngingaqalisa uOswin Apolis. Oswin Apolis bafethu nakhona akumele ngikhuluma kakhulu. Oswin Apolis ke bafethu uyakwazi ukudlala ka left base ngashintshana benobani benoTshepango Moremi. Ngokwami abajida bazoswitcha kule game le, bazoswitcha umunye aye ka left umunye aye ka right. Nihlele nibabona ke benza bafethu. Ngokwami ngingabaqalisa kanje. These are my wingers against Iswelele FC, yabo. Tshepango Moremi I feel like umjida kumele aqale more games, yabo. Kumhlalisa ebenchini kakhulu, I feel like Orlando Pirates leyo nto iyamlimita kakhulu because mase sim-introduce sometimes umjida akasinikezi into esiyidingayo and leyo nto yenze ngawuthi umjida akadlali kahle. Kanti when you starting uTshepango Moremi, you get to see uTshepango Moremi create more chances for it. Mase ukuthi ke i-striker sami le game le ngaqalisa bani na? Ngaqalisa uMakgopa. Makgopa will be my striker kule game le bafethu. So wena ngokwakho ngangitshela ukuthi ithini i-lineup yakho. So iyona ke lineup yami le bafethu, back four yami uCM Sibisi Sibelebele, mase kuba bani na? Mase kuba uDion Hot. Mase kuthi lapha number 6 Makhehleni Makhawula, Talente Mbatha, Mofokeng. Mase kuthi ke lapha ku right winger ngibe nobani na? Oswin Apolis. Mase kuthi lapha ka left winger ngibe nobani na? Ngibe noMoremi. Mase sithi up front sibe nobani? No Evidence Makgopa. This is my lineup prediction against Iswelele FC. You can tell me your lineup prediction ukuthi wena ngokwakho ibapha abadlali ongabaqalisa against Iswelele. Ngabe Orlando Pirates izoyenza yini history ithathe iBetway Premiership iphinde futhi ke ithathe iDDC ihlula iMamelodi Sundowns yeyintwana ne first team yeMamelodi Sundowns.